Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Asus ROG Ergo monitor arm. This innovative accessory is designed to elevate your gaming experience by offering unparalleled flexibility and ergonomic support. It allows you to precisely position your display, ensuring maximum comfort and reducing strain during extended play. We'll cover its key features, installation process, and why it's a crucial upgrade for any serious gamer looking to optimize their setup. Get ready to transform your battle station. Let's dive into the impressive features of the ROG Ergo monitor arm. It boasts a robust design, capable of securely holding flat monitors weighing up to 11.5 kilograms or 25.35 pounds. You'll enjoy a full range of motion, including tilt from -25 to 80 degrees, swivel of 90 degrees, and a full 360-degree pivot. Plus, its integrated cable management system ensures a clean, clutter-free desk, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality for your gaming space. Setting up your ROG Ergo monitor arm is surprisingly simple. It comes with both a C-clamp and a grommet mount, giving you flexible installation options for desks between 10 and 80 millimeters thick. All the necessary tools are included, making assembly quick and hassle-free. Once installed, you can easily adjust the tension to ensure your monitor moves smoothly and stays exactly where you want it, providing a truly personalized viewing experience in minutes. Ultimately, the Asus ROG Ergo monitor arm is more than just an accessory. It's an investment in your gaming comfort and performance. By providing precise positioning and freeing up valuable desk space, it allows you to focus entirely on your game. Experience improved ergonomics, reduced strain, and a more immersive setup. This arm is built to last, ensuring your battle station remains optimized for countless hours of intense gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.